cookbook friends, welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie. Today I'm looking forward to going through Filipinx. This is heritage recipes from the Diaspora. And this is by Angela Dimayuga. Sorry if I get this incorrect. And Ligaya Mishan. I was really looking forward to this cookbook when we first went through it because I really like Filipino food, and one of my really good friends is Filipino, and she's been slowly trying to share her recipes with me, and everything's been fantastic and super good, and I just keep getting more and more curious about it. And I ran into this cookbook. I know the color is kind of wild, so I was like, I don't know, for a little bit, just being totally honest here. But it's a great cookbook. Like, it's thick. There's a lot of recipes in here. There's a lot of beautiful stories in here. And there's a lot of great food photography as well. So let's look at it. And it's colorful. The cover says it all. It's very colorful. It's very food forward, family forward. I really like it. So we have, I like this. We are made of blood, earth, and stardust, the ancient sources of life that built our bones and pulse through our veins proclaim that we are because someone, many ones, gave us life. We do not get here on our own. I love that. This is by Chani Nicholas. I've never heard of this person before, but now I'm going to look them up. I like that. All right, so in the table of contents here, excuse me for not knowing some of these words. I only know some of it, but I'm going to do my best. So we have turo. I don't know what that is. We have soup and vegetables, rice and noodles, merienda. So I'm not sure what that means either. We have breakfast and silogs, celebrations, pantry, sides, condiments, and sausawan. We have kakanin, pastries, and sweets. And then we have cold things and drinks. So, like I said, full of family photography. I love learning about the authors and just like their history. And it's beautiful in here. I love this. So we get into the food. So we have turo. So let's see. Turo means point. And that's how you order. So this has something to do with, if it's there if you know where to look. In a strip mall, behind a car wash, at the back of a grocery store, in the Philippines or Northern California, or any place Filipinos call home, this bare bones canteen where if you listen close, you can hear the low, steady hiss of steam. Food awaits in steel bins, warm and replenished as needed. Okay, now I know. That's awesome. And you get the pronunciation here. I think I got that right. Turo. This looks really good. Like, all of these dishes, I want to scoop them onto a plate and eat them right now. So we have bistec. So seared ribeye with lemons and onions, super tasty. So what I love about this entire book, because I've been looking through this for about a weekend, we have the top, which explains where this recipe came from, even like when it might have originated. So like it says here in the 1970s, the chef Nora Daza opened the restaurant Au Il Philippines in Paris, sorry, French too, I need to work on my languages, in the Latin Quarter on the left bank, and the luminaries descended. So this is derivative of this restaurant from 1970s. So you learn a lot about each dish, where it comes from, the significance to Filipino culture, flavor profiles, everything. It's really cool. So we have how many servings it gives us. We have the ingredients, and then we have all of the different instructions here listed. Sometimes it's continued, so they don't waste any pages. I kind of like that because there's a lot of cookbooks where it'll just be like one page of almost nothing but two sentences and hooray. I like that they don't waste. I also just really love like the history because everything is really elaborate. So if you want to learn more about Filipino food, this is where you want to go. So we have here a coconut milk chicken adobo, and I want to make this. It looks so easy, and I might actually make this week now that I'm looking at it. I'm trying really hard not to drool right now. Okay, Max's style fried chicken. Filipino pork barbecue, super good. This is quite meat heavy, so that's just something I've also noticed. There's a lot of different kinds of meat cuts. Some stuff that I think a lot of people would be a little like, oh no, I don't know. Like beef tongue I've seen, which I personally like, but there's a lot of really cool, very authentic recipes throughout. Here we have a soup and vegetable chapter. So we have bola bola soup, beef meatball soup, and this looks great. There's a lot of, so I'm seeing, I don't know if it's because every time I flip to a recipe, I always get this, but there's these delightful garlic chips in so many dishes. And if you love garlic, you might want to check out Filipino food because, oh my goodness, it's so awesome. I love it. We have a chicken sotang soup. Sotang. Okay. Sotang soup. So this is a chicken soup with glass noodles and pork scallion meatballs. This looks great for wintertime and super easy to put together. It serves 4. That looks amazing. We have ginisang or ginisang. Oh my goodness, I am not saying any of these right. Sorry, this is a ginisang. Ampalia. Okay, I love okay, so you can probably see this. There's pronunciations right here, right below it. I don't know why that totally passed me. So this is sauteed bitter melon, tomato, shrimp, and egg. Interesting. Like, so different than anything I've really ever had. So this is really cool. We have a bay leaf spa rice. That's cute. And it's easy too, if you see. We have, let's see some more. Dry, spicy bagoong noodles with fish balls and broth. This looks really good. Yum. Love the different colorations here. Super cool. Pancit beyond kamote. Sorry. All right. Stir-fried sweet potato noodles with pork belly, black pepper, and red cabbage. I kind of want to make this too, and it looks just really like super easy to kind of throw together, and just totally different flavors. So awesome. I just, yeah, and again, lots of garlic. I just love it. This is really cool. So here we have awesome, this is her family, her grandparents. The photography is great. I can't, like, beautiful. Seriously. I love this. This is such an homage to Filipino culture and her culture. We have Okoye seafood and vegetable fritters. This looks amazing. I can actually see this as a restaurant dish. We have crispy fried calamari. Ooh. So I've only had some Filipino food, and I'm wondering if it's authentically more spicy than what I've been given, which I would love, because I see in a lot of these photos, there's a lot of like almost bird's eye chilies and almost everything, and I'm super excited. Ooh, this one looks really good, and I really want to make this for breakfast or really anything. Longanisa Filipino-style chorizo. I love that it comes with this delicious garlic rice, an egg, and pickled vegetables. It looks really easy to kind of slap together, have a really quick and easy lunch or dinner or whatever, and it just, yeah, so good. Marinated silverfish. This is a chocolate rice porridge, so we're kind of going into the dessert section. This looks really good. I'm wondering, okay, so this is made with sweet rice, so the glutinous rice. I love it. Oh, okay, so we have a sinigang roast chicken. Oh, chicken relleno, whole roasted chicken stuffed with embutito. I'm guessing this is an egg, if you can see that inside. That looks really tasty. Fantastic meal options. I am noticing, like, sorry if you are vegan or vegetarian, this cookbook is very meat and animal product heavy. I think actually my friend was trying to explain to me Filipino dishes, how they look and the portion size is what they actually have. And meat was definitely on it quite a bit, and carbs was like a big portion and very small amount of vegetables. And I haven't looked up what the reasons why are, but so if you are vegan or vegetarian, this might be a little hard to navigate. Maybe there's a Filipino vegan or vegetarian cookbook I could find in the future. But as far as authenticity, this looks amazing, and my friend said it's pretty accurate. So I'm gonna believe her. We have more. I'm gonna kind of go forward a little bit. This is interesting. And I would try it, but this is a banana leaf scented fresh farm cheese. This looks so interesting. I would love to try this out. And you can apparently making your own cheese is kind of crazy, and being able to make it with just a banana leaf is cool. Oh, look at that. Those wrapping. Okay, let's look at these sweets. Chiffon loaf cake. Beautiful. Yum. This is a banana leaf roasted rice cake with salted egg and cheese. Interesting. We have a biko recipe. That's something that's a pretty traditional Filipino recipe in here. There's a molasses date and walnut square. Super tasty. I'm going to try a recipe. I'm going to try to make a recipe. Oh, here's biko. Oh, yum. This looks fantastic. Coconut jam? Yum. Okay. Oh, so there's this purple yam or ube recipe I want to try out, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it for you guys. Oh, here it is. Okay. This is a soft milk purple yam candy. I'm going to try to make this actually this weekend. I found purple yams, so we'll see how it goes. I'm looking forward to it. And it's not too hard, and it has 4 dozen candies. Woo. So there's a lot of cool recipes in here, and I've been flipping through this like slowly and looking through all these recipes I would like to try, and I probably should just start from the beginning and read about, all of the culture, foods available in the Philippines. And I just really like it. This is not a cookbook I would ordinarily just grab or look at, because the cover's kind of wild, to be honest, but it's great. It really is a fantastic cookbook. There's a lot of recipes, and a lot of the recipes have photos, which is super important. So honestly, I love this, and I'm probably going to go out and buy it and make a whole bunch of Filipino food because I really love it, and it's not a lot of people make Filipino food. I don't know of a whole lot of Filipino restaurants, even near Seattle. So yeah, I just think this is really cool. If you guys want to check out more of our cookbooks, definitely check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And we have a whole bunch of other YouTube videos as well. We also have a podcast that we like to publish every Friday, so come look at us there. And we like to do weekly cookbook roundups there as well. So any new cookbooks coming out, this is where I found this awesome Filipinx cookbook, was from our weekly cookbook roundup. So definitely look at us there. And make sure, if you do like our channel, to like and subscribe and comment. If there's something you guys want us to check out, let us know. We do our best to try to find cookbooks. Sometimes it can be really difficult, especially the vintage ones, but I definitely give Carrie a lot of kudos for being able to find them, because it's a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time.